Recently, Karuma Bridge was temporarily closed to allow repairs on the bridge after its structural integrity was questioned. The closure disrupted trade route to northern Uganda, West Nile, South Sudan, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. However, the government of Uganda, with her development partners, the Japanese, resolved to construct a new bridge with a grant of 121 billion Uganda shillings. This afternoon, the Prime Minister of Uganda, Robert Nabanja, met the Japanese Vice Minister for Foreign Affairs, Yohei Onishi, who promised to start construction of the bridge in August this year.
Our President, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, requested Japan's support for key infrastructure projects, including the construction of Karuma Bridge. We are equally grateful for Japan's support towards that bridge.
The reconstruction of Karuma Bridge, we anticipate that construction will commence around August. We would be delighted if Your Excellency could attend the groundbreaking ceremony as well.
The Japanese minister also promised to support Uganda in the construction of Kampala Metropolitan Transmission Road projects and the flyover.
Regarding the Kampala Metropolitan Transmission System Improvement Project and the Kampala Flyover Construction and Road Upgrading Project, for which we have received a request for additional loans from your country, we are currently reviewing the matter with urgency and aim to reach a conclusion promptly.
The Prime Minister Nabanja commended the Japanese government for their continued support towards a number of projects in Uganda.
Japan remains one of Uganda's key development partners, supporting Uganda in education, refugee response, water and agriculture, health sector, and recently, when we had a problem of Kitezi, when we lost a number of people with the Kampala flyover project. Lot 2 under consideration for funding. The Kampala Metropolitan Power Transmission Project, which we requested so that we can get additional funding of 31 million US dollars to complete the remaining works. The third one is the Western Uganda Power Supply Project, which is aimed at establishing power supply to the Kabarega International Airport.
However, the Prime Minister said much as Uganda's relations with Japan is good, there is a trade imbalance between the two countries, with Japan benefiting more than Uganda.
Although relations between our two countries are strong, trade between our two sister countries remain limited, with Japan exporting significantly more to Uganda than Uganda exports to Japan, resulting in a trade surplus of 461 million US dollars in Japan's favor.
Now, when you go out here, outside, and you count the vehicles running on the road, everything is Toyota, Japanese, which means you developed interest to trade in Uganda long ago.
Yohei Onishi is in Uganda on an official visit to attend President Yoweri Museveni's swearing-in ceremony scheduled for tomorrow.